Hello everyone, welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today I'm going to train you some tips and tricks how you people can spice up and add flavor to your presentation. So, in this episode today, what I'm going to train you is how you can make, the various font style look more attractive by using some of the customization ways that I'm going to train you today forward. Okay, so I'm going to train you on one tip today, and then subsequently in my coming sessions, I'm going to train you further. So let's begin with, people normally what happens is whenever we are designing a presentation, first and foremost on every slide, as you people know, that there is a heading or a title that we need to put in. However, some of the time we also want that the title of the presentation should look something which is very very attractive. You're already aware about the things that whenever we people are going to try to enter a title, there are font styles which are already available, but I'm going to train you on how you people can make those font styles more look more attractive. So let's say people that this is a picture which has been there, and I would like to integrate this particular picture into the font that I'm going to use. So how exactly we can go about is, let's say that I would like to insert a title. So what I would do is I will go to insert, and then I will click on text box, and let's say that the title of my presentation, or you are going to prepare a presentation for a client, and the title is disco lights. Okay, so what exactly I have to do is, once I have entered the title, I'm going to make this title a little bit thick. Let's say, let me increase the font style or size to 66, and then I'm going to keep my font style a little bit thick, because then only the things that I'm going to trade put in over there, that's going to look more attractive. So you can choose either of the the bold format which is available, but currently what I'm going to do is, let's say that I would go about by this option. Okay, all right, so this is the option that is there, and then I would like to integrate my picture or the design, which is the main theme of the client, into this font which exactly is there. So how I would go about is, now we have the presentation and we have written the font on the top of it also, but as I've said that this is not my ultimate goal or my motive. I would like this thing of mine, this the the font style which is of mine to be looking more attractive. So what I would be doing is, the first thing that I have to do is I would be inserting a blank slide into my presentation. Okay, now once I've inserted the blank slide, this particular font, I would be taking it over there. And people, because the changes that I'm going to do today, that they are going to be the final changes, so please ensure that you're doing on the new slide. So let's suppose that this is my font. Okay, and I would like to integrate my picture into it. So what I would do is, the next thing that I have to do is I have to copy the picture. Okay, so I would be copying the picture, and then I will be pasting it on this new blank slide, and then you have to take it backward. So what you would do is, you will right click on the mouse, and then you will click on send to back. Now you people can see that my picture has moved to the back, and my font style is there in front. And now, as I've said, that now I would like to integrate this style into this font style of mine. So how exactly I would go about is, people, first of all, you have to click on the picture, hold the control key from the keyboard, and then you also have to click on the font or the text that you people have punched in. So once again I'm saying is, hold the picture first, press the control key, and then you have to click on the font, and then you can see on the top, in this address bar, there are two options which are available now. So one is the format, this format, another is this format. So what you need to do is, you would be going with this format option, and then we will go on to the merge shape. Okay, this merge shape option which you people are seeing when where I'm hovering my mouse. So the moment I will click on the merge, this merge shape option, I need to go with an option which is called as intersect. Okay, so I will click on intersect, people, and the moment I will click on the intersect option, now you people can see that your font is looking really very very flashy, and we have also incorporated the colors of the picture which we were planning to do it. So this ways I can go about, and I can and I can, make the font look exactly the same way, whichever way you people want. And as I've already stated, that please ensure that when you are going to do the changes, you have to do these changes on a blank slide, because whatever changes you are going to do it, they are going to be finalized. And once this new format that you people have created, you people can save it also, and you can copy paste it into whichever option that you people feel like. Okay, so for saving, you need to click on, this save option. Then you have to click on the text, then right click with the help of the mouse, and then you have to click on save as picture, and you will be able to save this particular format forever. Okay, so now what I would like you people is to go ahead and try yourself, try these flashy options of the new font size, with the help of which you may be able to spice up your presentation. Okay, so those people who are watching my channel for the first time and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, click on and subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way that I would be training you on. And moreover, in case of any queries, if you have, you can always reach me on these three social websites, which is, you can reach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also approach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians. And the links of all these three social media is also given in the description of the video. Okay, so thank you very much people for watching the video, and now I would request you to please quickly go ahead, try it yourself, and design a flashy looking font style today, which would be matching the need of your presentation. Thank you people.